passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch your...
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So I'm bringing you another Mrs. Kisses bra try on. It's not going to be quite a demo because it's hard to do a demo without exposing you all, but I might do something, you know, to kind of show y'all how to do it. So I do have a coupon code for Mrs. Kisses because I know the bras for some people are a little bit pricey, but I feel like if it's a bra that I can wear for the rest of my life, honey, and it's backless and frontless and all that good stuff, I'm willing to spend. I think I spent, like when I first bought it, $100. I'll definitely have the price on the screen somewhere. But like I said, they also have like a bridal one that I saw, which is white pattern, I believe, and like a nude bar. But anywho, I'm going to answer some questions while I try it on and show you guys also that I received with this bra. Again, I do have a coupon code for 15% off. It's Daquana White. I'll have the website down below. So I did get the voluptuous pads and I got the modest. The first one I think I tried was a shallow, and this one is the modest. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it on the screen. So you do get this bag to put your bra in, which is pretty cool. Then you also get, now mine is already put together, and I showed you guys, I believe, in the first video how I did it. If I didn't, I do apologize. But one thing about Mrs. Kisses, they also offer fittings, and you know, they'll help you fit your bra to you and how to wear it. I'm pretty sure I'll probably be wearing it all crazy, but it works. I got some nipple covers, which is great. So right now you see my boobs are in its natural state. Some people will probably say, well, they're fine, you know. I mean, I wear, you know, shirts like this with no bra and stuff just because I simply don't care what people have to say. But sometimes I do want that oomph, that push together, you know, a little bit of lift. And that's what I get with Mrs. Kisses. So again, I do have the voluptuous pads now. All right, so this is the bar, right? It does have the Mrs. Kisses on this side, and basically I believe it goes like this, right? Yeah, so once you contour it to you, I just folded it back up to put it in a bag, but once you contour it to you might want to leave it like that just because you won't have to keep adjusting it. So you can pull it open like this, you know, and get a little more width in there. So the voluptuous pads, I feel like I'm getting ahead of myself, actually fit all the way up to an H cup if I'm not mistaken. Again, I'll have those pop-ups on the screen. It was a while ago when I had all this information, but hopefully y'all not getting a nip slip. But yeah, and even if you're a B cup, I think a young lady said it took her A's to C's or her B's to C's or something like that. But you know, there's a lot of people who testified testified that it worked. There's a lot of testimonials about Mrs. Kisses. So you have this here, which is the foundation. A lot of people ask, does the bar dig into you? Does it dig into you? No, it just sits on top of your skin. If it's digging, you might want to help, or you might want to reach out to them and get a professional fit in. They do help you with fittings, again, if it's digging in. But as far as I know, when I wore it, I didn't have it digging in. I went to a strip club. I went to a conference. Where else did I wear this to? Probably dinner and stuff. I think I did wear it to dinner. So yeah, and I didn't have digging. I was sitting down at the conference for like hours. So, and it was comfortable. So basically, you also have the pads here. Now, these are, I'm gonna put this down for a minute. These are the voluptuous pads. These are the standard pads. Now, I actually wore the standard pads first, and I just got these when I had went to the conference. Now, this is supposed to give more support. I know a lot of people swore up and down, honey, that I was not a D cup in bras. Every single bra I got in my house, I have in my closet, is a D, ranging from a 40 to a 46. Lately, I've been a 46 when I've been wearing Fenty bras. When I wear Adore Me and stuff, I'm a 42, 44, mostly like 44. So yeah, a 44D, 46D is where I'm at right now, for all of those who wanted to tell me about my own boob size. But then these are the two cup sizes right here. I'm gonna put the sticker on this one here. This is the sticker. I do have one on this one already, so I'm just gonna put on here. Now you can cut these if you need to, but because this is a voluptuous pad, I don't need to do that. Basically, why did I sit that down? You take the part that says Mrs. Kisses, you peel it off, and then you take that and you stick it onto the pad. I stick it about right there, and you want to press down firmly. And I peel the other layer of plastic here, which is just going to help it to adhere to your boobs. Now try Brassy Bra, and I've tried Brassy Bra. Brassy Bra was, one, when I took it off, it hurt, the sticker. But two, I actually did like it. I just don't like that it's like $30 for maybe like 2 or 3 pair, and that's it. You only get 2 or 3 uses out of it. Whereas if I just spend $100, I'll have the same bra for the rest of my life, and the only thing I might have to replace is this pad here. So yeah, once you do that, you go ahead and you take this part here. Now I'm confused a little bit. Okay, so the opening is here. All right, so you take this and you put it inside. Now I want to make sure you guys can see. Again, they do this, they help you set it up so you don't have to depend on my review for it, because I know I'm probably looking crazy. So you stick this part in here, and I'm trying to do it neatly so that the actual guard doesn't come off. So yeah, it's just stuck in there, and just like that. So what this is going to do is help it adhere on the inside, and this one is going to help it adhere to your skin and stay in place. I know some people were saying that they couldn't even leave the house because it didn't work for them. Again, they do fittings, y'all. They do fittings because it works for me. So I decided to try it with this bralette, and I actually did wear it with this bralette. Now typically I probably wouldn't wear it with the bralette just because well, this one, because it's mesh at the bottom, so you can probably see through it. But when I wore it, I didn't have a problem with it being seen that I knew of. So what you do, and what I can't do for you guys is show you. So typically you would go in, sit it on your boob. I'm gonna pull this up so you guys can't see. Place it here. Now you don't want to squeeze the actual bar to hold it in place. You want to just sit it there, place it there. I'm gonna do this one a little bit tilted, I told you guys. So once you kind of get it situated in there is when you start to adjust it. And I know for a fact I probably would want it a little more snug, but I also want to be able to have it to a point where it kind of just fits on without me having to do anything, right? So I'm wondering how I wore it. I might have wore the standard pads with this bralette, because so I can't really see what y'all see, but I know it's going to be sticking out a little bit on the sides because this is a bralette. But as you can see, this is what it looks like. Again, this probably isn't ideal to wear with it, but you can see the effects of what the bra did. Now I do have to get this in place, so I'm gonna be right back when so yeah, you can still do what you have to do. It did not fall out. It didn't adjust. I literally, like I said, wore this for hours at a time. Again, I had on a blazer with this, so even if I had like the padding showing there or there, I had on a blazer. Typically I probably wouldn't wear it with this, but even though I did wear it with this, and my boobs were sitting all night at the strip club, honey. So yeah, this works for me. I really like it. I think it was a good investment. The voluptuous pads just make it look a little more realistic on this side, because with the smaller pads it can kind of look like you have like a bubble or something spilling over. But yeah, that's this. Again, it is frontless, backless. All you have is this bar here. The bar, I really can't feel it. Honestly, I forget about it. Like when I had worn my blazer dress, I wasn't paying attention to the bar. It didn't bother me. It didn't dig in. It's just sitting on your skin just like a bra. And my bra actually feels worse than wearing one of these Mrs. Kisses bras, because my bras sometimes dig. You understand? Sometimes they digging in the shoulder, pulling you down, digging in the back, a little bit too tight or something. So yeah, I love having the freedom of not having to worry about that, and it looks good. It doesn't look crazy. I will say with the other bra that I did try and I showed you guys, that one actually had like 500,000 views or something like that. It worked. It gave me a little lift, but I didn't have this right here, y'all, where as though I'm getting lift and like a little push together. This bra isn't, the claim isn't to quote unquote lift you. The claim is to give you, to remove the gap, right? To give you a little more cleavage, to push it together, not necessarily lift you. But I feel like I kind of get both with this bra. So that is my Mrs. Kisses modest bra review with the voluptuous pads. Hey guys, I've been professionally measured as a D. For those who will say you're not a D, I'm sorry, Mrs. Kiss is just making me look a little bit bigger, honey. But even sometimes with my D cup bras, I still have too much room. So I mean, somebody lying, right? But yeah, that's this. As you can see, it is backless. I don't have to show you guys that, but it ain't nothing in the back. Everything is in the front. Real comfortable, real cute, and such a great investment. I'll have the link down below, and be sure to use the code Daquana White and you save 15%. So that is this.